Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today I will be making this amazing Balajay stew or eggplant stew with black beans balls. So we are going to preheat our pan here, add some oil and some sliced onions, and I love onions guys, so I can use anywhere from 1 to 1.5 onion. All right, then you're going to add your diced carrots. Now I love obstacles in my stew, but you can choose to omit the carrots. So if you don't have them, that is just fine. Fresh garlic for me in Balajay is a must. Some hot peppers for kick, love my heat and my spice, and some parsley, fresh parsley. Then you're going to peel and dice your eggplant. Mixed everything in well. Add your complete seasoning or your bouillon and black pepper and cover on low heat. If it's kind of burning, you can add just a tad bit water, reduce your heat and cover. Now after about 10 to 15 minutes, this is what mine looks like. I taste and adjust the flavoring, the seasoning here, and there I'm adding the black beans balls. Now I'm going to leave the link for that in the description box. This was absolutely amazingly delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today, and I see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.